got a massive headache. I did, bro, I PR'd today, son. I PR'd today with a 295-pound squat, baby. I could have done, well, no, I was one and done on that. My buddy who was spotting me said that as I was on the up, when I was going up, my back went like that. And when you arch your back like that, and I felt it, usually you'll get a little twing, little pingy twingy action in there. It hurts. And happened to me, baby. But I did I PR'd. I had 2 PRs. Damn, look at. I did 2. Now it doesn't sound like a lot, but I've never lifted heavy, right? And it just felt good. So I did it. It was feeling good, so I just went for it. And I did 275. Right? I'm repping 225. And then I said, screw it, man. This is feeling really good. So I bumped it up to 275. Cranked one out. I could have done another one, but I was just too excited. You know, my buddy spotting me was like, yo, what the fuck? I'm like, yeah, what the hell? And we said, screw it, throw on the 35. So 2 plates and a 35, 295 pound. Boom, baby, boom. I probably could have squeezed out a second one with a little bit of help, but bro, that was freaking exciting. And then I've never done this before, but my buddy who spotted me, he's over there doing easy curls, and he decided he's going to try it with a 100-pound easy curl and a 100-pound bar. And he's like, you do it. I bet you can, because I'm over there repping 75 concentration curls bent over. I said, screw it. So I did, and I freaking did it. So those squats, man, like I already have a headache just from being sick, and so I did those, and I've just got this headache, bro. And it kind of, you know, so it didn't ruin the rest of the workout, but it sure as hell didn't make it easy. So I'm just powering through, but I did it. I freaking did it, bro. I did it, bruh. But I was in there for 3 hours, and I really didn't mean to be in there for that long. But both my buddies showed up. I mean, I got, you know, if you go to the gym a lot, you know, you got gym buddies. You know, you might not hang out or anything, but in the gym, it's like, you know, it's different. But I'm hungry, dude. I didn't mean to be in there for that long. You know. But I did get those PRs, and I'm very freaking excited about it. Excuse me. I need to figure out what's going on with my elbows, because oh no, I'm gonna yawn. Excuse me. Because when I'm doing bench press, because I did some bench press today too, but when I'm doing bench press, right when my arm gets to about here or so, my funny bone gets all wonky. You know, I get that tingle. Oh, what was freaking Karen back there bitching about? You see that? God, Karens are the worst. We need a ban acting like a Karen. You know, people need to go to freaking Don't Be a Karen school. Outlaw Karens. Best thing we could do for the freaking country right now is just ban Karens. But yeah, my funny bone like starts to like twing when I'm on them heavy bench press. Same with like tricep push down. I get that too. You know, I can only do a couple reps of like 88 before it's like, damn, the hell. So the plan for the rest of the day is I'm a hungry hippo, so I'm gonna go home and eat something. I'm kind of feeling ramen, dude, honestly. So I gotta boil myself some eggs, and I like to have my soft-boiled eggs when I'm eating my ramen. I'll do like 4 soft-boiled eggs, and we have giant eggs at home. Like, take your large eggs that you buy at the store and double them. That's how big ours are from the chickens out back. They're about 9 to 11 grams of protein each. So pretty excited for that. I like the Maruchan. I think it's Maruchan, or it's Top. I'm pretty sure it's Maruchan though. It's the bowl spicy pork. Girl. And I'm gonna go out front for the side yard, and I'm gonna work on that path I was talking about. I don't gotta edit anything today. I might edit some shit later for Monday. Tomorrow's video is already ready to rock. I finally made the video, and it should be out already. No, I love people who hog the road like that. You see that? It's hogging down the middle of the road, man. Like, scoot over, you know, like this. Scoot over. It's not hard. But yeah, I finally made the video about you know, whether or not the Grom is a good daily commuter. You know, and kind of like what things to think about when choosing a daily, like a commuter bike. You know, and hopefully that video does well. We'll find out. Dude, this headache is bugging me, bro. I'm bugging every time I hit a bump. Oh my god, it's right behind my eyes. So I'm gonna take a dang Tylenol when I get home. Jesus. Oh, you know, I'm glad I had, it kind of helped with my headache. It kind of helped a little bit, but not really. I mean, it helped a little. It didn't get rid of it or nothing, and it, you know, blood sugar isn't the cause, I don't think. But I have Jolly Ranchers in my backpack. So I popped a good old JLR, Jolly Rancher, whatever, Jolly Rancher. I had the green apple one, and then I had the blue one, whatever that one is. Blueberry? Blue Raz? I don't know. Little blue razzle dazzle up in my face. Little slow drip of some freaking high fructose corn syrup. Girl. Ow. Yeah, dude, I might not even work on the goddamn side yard. My head's hurting that bad. That's pounding. We'll see what happens when I get some food in me and some Tylenol. I've always liked this property. Like, yeah, it's on a hillside, but looks like they used to have a vineyard over there. I never understood that, like, what's the big deal with wine, bro? I mean, to be honest, like, it's okay, it's aight, you know? Like, white wines are always way too sweet, you you know, like Merlot's, I like it bitter. I like the Merlot, but you know, after the second glass, it's like, yo, this is making me feel a little queasy, you know. And a table red, nah, that's okay. It's all right. My wife likes Moscato, which is okay as well. But I do like a nice, like, Sauvignon. Or what's that one that's a Blanc? Something Blanc. I don't know. I ain't French. I don't know. But, tell you what, you put a Busch Light in my hand. Ooh, baby, I love the blue. I wanna be with you night and day. Who is that? Eddie Money? No. Tom Petty? It's not Eddie Money. I think it's Tom Petty. Or is it the Eagles? Oh no, I'm gonna have to look that up. I love that song. Oh baby, I love you way every day. I wanna be with you night and day. Is that the same band that does Living It Up in the Hotel California? That's the Eagles. Such a lovely place, such a lovely face. I passed Hotel California one time. It's like in between, like, Sacramento and, like, Fresno. It's like, you see it and you're like, this is Hotel California? This is it? This is it? Really? Anyway, baby, thanks for watching. I need to go nurse this headache. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Shoo!